everyone, welcome to the channel. I am Mubaraka and today I have a very interesting product with me. It's the Sugar Pop 4-in-1 Lip Twist. This one right here has 4 different shades of lipsticks and today I'm going to show you how you can use them in multiple ways. First, I'm using the darker brown shade to contour my face. This has a satin matte formula so it blends easily. Now I'm using the red shade as blush to add some color back to my face. You can see how beautiful it looks. Next I'm using this one as my eyeshadow as well as on my lips. I'm also adding a little bit of this nude shade to make my custom lip color. You can see I literally went from this to this with just one product. And you know what? This one is definitely going to be my go-to travel buddy. You will find the link to this product in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And hey, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Bye, see you next time.